Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new, if you're not new, thank you for clicking to watch another video. On my channel, I talk about personal development, financial growth, relationship management, things like that. So if that's interesting to you, or if you're on the journey of leveling up your life, this is the channel for you. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. As you can tell by today's video, I'm going to be telling you the 5 money mistakes I made in my early 20s and in my late teens or mid teens. I'll also do another video about things I did with money that I do not regret, because I think that's a video that would be nice, because I feel like we all talk about the bad stuff that we've done with money, but there's some good things I still did, even though I didn't do the best things. But there's some stuff that I did and I'm proud of. So let's get into 5 money mistakes that I made in my early 20s and teens. First money mistake that I made was not knowing how to use my credit card efficiently. Whoo, whoo. I got a credit card at the age of 18, and between 18 to I want to say 22, reckless. Reckless. I think I started off with $1,000 limit, and then $2,000, and then I got my credit score at one time and it was 750, and I was feeling myself and I'm like, yeah, I'm on top of stuff. I'm on top. As soon as I started thinking that I was on top of it, went downhill. I went downhill because I got another credit increase to $5,000. And for a teenager, early 20s, working retail, that was chef's kiss. I was still a student. I was working retail. I didn't have a full-time job. And I was just spending. I was like big money spender. Like I would buy everything, shop everywhere, do everything, want everything, get everything, yes, everything. the consequences, the consequences of my actions came open up. That's exactly what they said. It was ugly. But yes, I would say the first mistake I made was not using my credit card efficiently, thinking it was free money, and tanking my credit. I tanked my credit. I got into debt. I just got out of debt, still kind of paying it off, and just started rebuilding my credit. I would do a whole video on that, but yes, that is the first mistake I made, not knowing how to use a credit card efficiently. This is not to scare you, but please go and gain knowledge. There's too many people, too many financial gurus online for you to not know how to use a credit card. So go find your favorite financial guru and subscribe to them. Subscribe to me too. Okay. Second financial mistake I made in my 20s was not having a savings account. As I was a big money spender, that's what I mean. Like, I did not save a penny. I did not save a dime. I did not save 5 cents. I did not save a thing. I did not save a button. A button for my shirt, I did not save it. I did not save it. Guys, I was so wasteful. Like, I saved 4 things. So I traveled a lot in my 20s, in my early 20s. So I saved for that, but like just a regular emergency savings, like if anything happened, blah, 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 not a dollar. Like I would put $50 in a savings. 2 hours later, I'm taking it out. Oh, put it away for a rainy day. It rained 2 hours later. So I took it out. So I did not have a savings. I would advise you again, no matter what you are earning, put away something. You're earning $50, put away 5. You're earning $100, put away 10. Matter of fact, make it 20. So put away something, right? Especially when you're a teenager, early 20s, you're still living at home, you don't have that much bills, you don't have that much responsibility. Put money away. Have a savings account. I cannot believe it's God. It's God that saved me in those times, because suffering was knocking on my door. So yes, I did not have a savings account. Big mistake. So make sure you have a savings account. 3 is probably the one that annoys me the most. It is the one that annoys me the most, and I might make a whole separate video about this topic. And it was the money mistake I made is wasting money on fast fashion. Pretty Little Thing, Fashion Nova, Shein. Temu wasn't around then, but Wish. No, I didn't really shop on Wish, but all those fast fashion websites, I was their loyal customer. I was the president general among the nations. I had to have all the latest trends. I had to have everything. I see my favorite influencer wear something, I have to go wear it. Even though that influencer was gifted, I use my own hard earned money and money that I don't have to buy those clothes. So I wasted so much money. I wasted so much money on those sites that I actually did not shop from them. I have not shopped from them since. I just started shopping on Shein because I have vacation coming up this month, March. Before now, I haven't shopped there for almost 5 years because of the trauma that I inflicted on myself shopping at fast fashion websites. PLT has never seen me, may never see me. Fashion Nova has never seen me again, may never see me again. So I would say do not waste your money on fast fashion websites. Don't do it. I know you're watching me and you do it. Stop. Stop doing it. Another thing is those clothes never did last. Like I'm telling you, I used to do closet cleanouts and I'll be giving away 10 bags of clothing. 10 bags of clothing. Now maybe I give out like one shopping bag. And when I say 10 bags, I mean like, a trash bag, 10 of those filled to the brim of clothing. Right now, I can't even give out a full bag of clothing because I actually wear the clothes in my closet and I actually enjoy wearing the clothes in my closet. So you can see the difference. If you want to buy clothes, buy quality clothes and stuff that you can see in your wardrobe for a long time. You can dabble into trends here and there, but don't make shopping on fast fashion a thing. Don't make it part of who you are. It's not your personality. That's what I mean. Okay, so number four is the same point as number one. I had massive credit card debt. I was in debt over $5,000. Woo, tragic. And yeah, technically that is paid off now, but I'm never going back. So if you have debt that's under $1,000, I would say focus and kill that debt right now. Hey guys, I think my microphone literally died as I was filming and I had no idea. So this is point five, and I was talking about how my fifth mistake I made with my money in my 20s was buying designer items that I could not afford. That yes, I would use my taxpayers' money, like my tax refunds. I would use my tax refunds to buy the designer items because I always wanted to pay cash. I always wanted to pay in full. So it's not that I owed on them, but I still wasn't financially literate or even at the point where I should be wearing designer items. I was basically living a fake lifestyle, basically trying to be someone I'm not, trying to impress people that I don't know, people I don't like, and stuff like that. So that's what I was talking about here. And people say, don't keep up with the Joneses. The Joneses are broke. I don't think the Joneses are broke. I say don't keep up with the Joneses. The Joneses have generational wealth. You don't. Generational wealth will start with me, but I didn't come from generational wealth, so I shouldn't be keeping up with people who do have generational wealth, which is what the Joneses have. So yes, instead of saying don't, like, don't follow the Joneses. The Joneses are poor. They're not poor. They have generational wealth. So yes, that's what I was talking about. I was spending money recklessly on designer items that I had no business buying because I wanted to look a certain way. I wanted to impress people, and it backfired. I had to give all of those away as gifts, and I don't regret giving them away. But I had to give them all away when I wanted to start my financial journey, and I'm glad that I did. And right now, I'm just moving forward with being content with what I have, being content with my level, the level at which where I'm at and where God has placed me, and knowing that one day I will be able to afford those things. I mean, some of them I can afford today, but it's still not really time for me to start wearing those things. So, Yes, leave within your means, leave below your means, never leave above your means. So either you leave within or you leave below. Better to leave below. So that's what I was saying here. I apologize for the microphone going out. So please, please, please do forgive me. This will be the last time that this happens. I will go ahead and charge it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm probably going to cut it short here. And I will see you guys in next week's video. Bye, guys.